This 96GB G.SKILL Ripjaws S5 kit offers a huge memory pool that is ideal for heavy multitasking, content creation, and modern gaming builds. Running at a rated data rate of 5,600 megatransfers per second with relatively tight timings, it delivers noticeably snappier system responsiveness compared with older double data rate 4 kits. The dual 48GB module configuration is well matched for current Intel desktop platforms, giving you plenty of capacity while still leaving room for clean airflow and cable management. Support for Intel Extreme Memory Profile 3.0 makes it straightforward to apply the advertised overclock settings in the basic input-output system, provided your motherboard and processor can handle it. G.SKILL backs the Ripjaws S5 line with a reputation for strong stability and compatibility, and the included standard profile ensures reliable boot behavior even before any tuning. The low-profile matte black heat spreaders look understated in a windowed case, while still doing a solid job of keeping temperatures under control during sustained workloads.